Okay, they've really done a good job on the remodel of these. We have here a barn door into the bathroom. Nice area for towels. Just a pretty normal sink. There is some nice branded body lotion and soap. This is cool here. It's got a little night light there in the mirror. Push this here and it turns on and off light. Regular toilet. We've got a bathtub shower combo. There's that, and it does have a little shower wand there. Again, the branded soap, conditioner, shampoo on the wall there, Gilchrist & Soames. Okay, and then out this way we have the room. Full-length mirror. This one was a conjoining room, 2 queen beds. Little coffee bar here. And mini fridge. This is a little closet-y thing. Wardrobe, I guess. So there's that, and then some bench seating here, which is nice. A very large television. I wonder if these some drawers under here. There's those. And that is just a seat. This is a cool little table. It does go up and down, which is interesting. Oh, beautiful balcony out here. 2 little seats and an amazing view of the city. There. Okay, and that is our little room here. One more little thing here. Just another, there's the safe and a little drawer underneath. There's some really cool old Disneyland artwork on the walls. Love these. When Tinkerbell was actually like a person. I love it. How cool is that? So like I was saying, this hotel has some great amenities. There is a club lounge, as well as a pool, hot tub, and a gym, exercise room, what you want to call it. They've done a really nice job of redoing this place. Of course, there was carpet in the room, which I don't enjoy. I've never liked the carpet in the room, so that was the only downside there for me. Okay, this is the new lounge. I didn't want to talk in here while I was there because I didn't want to disturb people, but it is nice and big. There's plenty of seating. There's some sort of snacks in here 24/7, and my favorite part of this lounge is the small soda machine in the corner. The breakfast here was really good, and there were a lot of choices. Same with the hors d'oeuvres, are a lot of choices as well. They have moved this lounge. It used to be on the 11th floor, and it was 2 separate rooms. Now it's 1 big room, and it's next to the lobby, which I don't love, and then the entrance to the lounge is also glass, which I don't love, but it is a very good lounge. All right, here's the fitness center. It is quite large. I'm surprised. So let's take a look around here. A couple of ellipticals and 3 treadmills, recumbent bike, and a regular bike. Plenty of lifting equipment. And then a little area here with free weights, which is nice. And then there are also mats over here with yoga mats and some balls and stuff. There's a bathroom in here and water dispenser. So yeah, not a bad little fitness center. And warm towels and dry towels and headphones. The pool area over here is quite pretty. Here's some restrooms, outdoor shower. Here is the hot tub. It's small, but there is one, which is nice. The pool is quite large. and deep. This over here is 8 and 10 feet. Wow. Okay, 8, 10 feet over there, and then it's shallow on this side, 6 feet, 4 feet. And then over there, stairs to get out. So they do have, sorry it's nighttime here, but there's giant chests over here. That's not bad. And then there is a little bar area over here, right there. Oh, fun. So there's also cornhole here, and there is a hammock right there. And then right here is Connect 4.